Hello, and welcome to our video on how to earn passive income through affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to make money online without having to actively sell products or services, then affiliate marketing is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the step-by-step process to help you start earning passive income through affiliate marketing. We'll cover everything from finding the right affiliate programs and products to creating high-quality content that will attract potential customers to your affiliate links. We'll also share some of our top tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings and building a sustainable affiliate marketing business that can generate passive income for years to come. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing and start earning passive income together. So before we continue, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of more interesting videos just like this one. Number 1. Choose a niche. Choosing a niche is a crucial step in building a successful affiliate marketing business. Your niche is the area in which you will focus your marketing efforts, and it should be an area in which you have knowledge, interest, and expertise. A good niche should also have a large audience that is willing to spend money on products or services related to that niche. When choosing a niche, start by identifying your interests and passions. Think about the topics you enjoy learning about or talking about with others. Next, research the market and competition for your chosen niche. Look for gaps or areas that are underserved by existing businesses. This can give you an advantage when it comes to promoting products and building an audience. Finally, consider the profitability of your chosen niche. Look for products or services that have high commission rates and a proven track record of sales. Remember that the goal of affiliate marketing is to generate income, so it's essential to choose a niche that has the potential to be profitable in the long term. With the right niche, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that generates passive income for years to come. Number 2. Find affiliate programs. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step in affiliate marketing is to find affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer products or services that your audience would be interested in. Start by doing some research and making a list of companies that offer products or services related to your niche. Next, check if these companies have an affiliate program. You can usually find this information on their website under Affiliates or Partner Program. When evaluating affiliate programs, pay attention to the commission rates, cookie duration, and payment schedule. Commission rates can vary widely, so look for programs that offer competitive rates. Cookie duration refers to the length of time a visitor's browser will store a cookie after clicking on your affiliate link, allowing you to earn commissions on any subsequent purchases made by that visitor. Payment schedule refers to how often you will receive your commission payouts. Overall, it's important to find reputable affiliate programs that offer high-quality products and services that your audience will value. Number 3. Create content. Creating high-quality content is crucial to the success of your affiliate marketing business. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your chosen niche. There are many types of content you can create, including blog posts, videos, social media posts, and email marketing. When creating content, keep in mind the products or services you are promoting and tailor your content to showcase their benefits. Provide valuable information that educates and informs your audience, rather than just promoting products directly. This will help build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of them making a purchase through your affiliate links. To create great content, make sure to do your research and stay up to date on industry trends and developments. Use engaging visuals, such as images and videos, to make your content more appealing and shareable. And don't forget to optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Overall, creating high-quality content takes time and effort, but it's essential to building a successful affiliate marketing business. By providing value to your audience through your content, you can increase your traffic, attract more potential customers, and ultimately increase your affiliate commissions. Number 4. Drive traffic to your content. Once you have created high-quality content, the next step is to drive traffic to it. Without traffic, your content won't be seen by potential customers, and you won't be able to generate affiliate commissions. One effective way to drive traffic is through search engine optimization (SEO). This involves optimizing your content for relevant keywords and improving your website's overall ranking in search engine results and pages. Another way to drive traffic is through social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to attract potential customers and increase your reach. Email marketing is another powerful tool for driving traffic. Build an email list of subscribers interested in your niche and regularly send them newsletters, promotions, and other relevant content. Finally, consider paid advertising, such as Google Ads or Facebook ads, to drive traffic to your content. This can be an effective way to quickly reach a large audience and promote your affiliate links. Overall, driving traffic to your content takes time, effort, and a strategic approach. By using a combination of SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising, you can increase your traffic, attract potential customers, and generate more affiliate commissions. Number 5. Build an email list. Building an email list is a powerful strategy for affiliate marketing. By collecting the email addresses of potential customers interested in your niche, you can build a targeted list of subscribers to whom you can promote relevant products and services. To build an email list, create a lead magnet, such as an ebook or a free course, that provides value to your audience in exchange for their email address. Place opt-in forms on your website, social media pages, and other marketing channels to collect email addresses. Once you have built an email list, regularly send newsletters, promotions, and other relevant content to keep your subscribers engaged and interested in your niche. With a targeted email list, you can drive traffic to your content, promote relevant affiliate products, and generate more affiliate commissions. Number 6. Analyze your results. Analyzing your results is essential to the success of your affiliate marketing business. Without analyzing your performance metrics, you won't know what's working and what's not, and you won't be able to make informed decisions about how to improve your strategy. There are several metrics you should track, including website traffic, click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click. Use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate network dashboards to track these metrics and gain insights into your performance. Once you have collected data, analyze your results to identify areas for improvement. Look for patterns in your performance metrics and use them to refine your strategy. Test different approaches, such as different types of content, different affiliate products, or different marketing channels, and measure the results. By regularly analyzing your results, you can continually optimize your strategy, increase your traffic and conversions, and ultimately earn more affiliate commissions. Congratulations! You've learned the best key steps to earning passive income with affiliate marketing. By choosing a niche, finding affiliate programs, creating high-quality content, driving traffic, building an email list, and analyzing your results, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. That brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our new content. See you soon. Thanks for watching.